Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I am back with my second Rainbow High review. Last week I posted my Violet review and No Bang makeover, and today I'm gonna take a closer look at Sunny. MGA sent me this box as a gift that had these two dolls inside. If you want to see more Rainbow High doll reviews and customizations, please let me know in the comments who you want to see next. In case you are Dutch, just like me, you can now get these dolls in the Netherlands as well at Intertoys or bol.com, which is amazing because for most other brands it usually takes a lot longer for new doll lines to be released here. The Rainbow High dolls come in these stunning boxes that display the doll beautifully and that really give that luxurious vibe. The back of the box for Sunny is the same as we saw for Violet, with artwork for the core 6 girls in that holographic rainbow color that I really love. On the top, it says Rainbow High in gold, and in the yellow color, we see Sunny. I also do own Violet, and as I mentioned in my previous video, I really love Ruby's style as well. On the bottom of the box, it says Welcome to Rainbow High, the boldly colorful fashion school where everyone learns to flaunt their true colors. And on the bottom and all the way around the front, there's close-ups of the artwork for all the different girls in that same holographic rainbow effect we saw on the back of the box. And what I think is really interesting is that for Sunny's box, the colors match with the characters' colors. Whereas for Violet's box, these colors were not a match. For Ruby, the color does match on the box, but other than that, the colors don't match up. I'm really curious to hear if you've seen this before or if it's just my box, so definitely let me know and start the conversation in the comments. The front of the box is very clear and gives you a good look at the doll, the second outfit, and the second pair of shoes. It has this gold Rainbow High logo on there, as well as the doll's name, which is Sunny Madison from Series 1. To unbox the doll, I start by cutting the tape on the sides and on the top as well, which lets you flip open the back to reveal 2 compartments, with one holding the doll and the other one holding the doll stand she comes with and her second outfit. The doll stand Sunny comes with is made out of this yellow, translucent, glittery plastic that says Rainbow in the front and has this handle that holds the doll that you can move up and down the stand. This handle is very sturdy, but I do wish it was a little less chunky, because when the doll is on the stand, it really shows very well. Then the doll also comes with these clothing hangers. To unbox the fashions, I haven't been able to find a neat way to do this, so I simply use brute force for this step. Out of the packaging, Sunny has some very cool pieces, like this yellow denim jacket, with sleeves that say Rainbow, gold trimming, and faux pockets. There are also some gold studs for button details. Then she has these perfectly matching yellow ripped jeans with the same trim, and behind each cutout there's this fishnet fabric with sequin sparkles on it, which I really love. Then the top she comes with is this golden top with sequin details as well, which matches the jeans perfectly. For this pair of shoes, Sunny has these golden chunky heels with white stars on them and a golden buckle detail too. The front strap is clear, which looks so cool. It does look like the entire shoes are made of that clear plastic, which means that it might be possible to remove the paint from these shoes and have fully clear heels. It does sound like a really fun idea, but I'm not sure if I'm brave enough to try that out. I do really love how well these colors match the outfit, because that yellow is a perfect match with the jeans, and the gold is the exact same as the top. And now, let's take a closer look at the doll. Inside of the box, the doll's hair is very gelled, but from what I've seen on Instagram pictures, she has some very long hair, so I'm really excited to play with that. If you're curious to see how long this doll's hair actually is, definitely keep on watching. As you can see, the way these bangs are styled does look a little weird, but that will be an easy fix. Inside this part of the box, there's also a yellow comb that's made out of the same plastic as the doll stand. For Sunny, I really wanted to start off with her incredible shoes. What I really love is that she does have those same pointed feet as the other girls, but they did manage to make these flat shoes work by giving them these major rainbow platform soles. I was not able to make her stand on her own though, so I'm extra happy with the doll stand right now. Sunny is wearing these knee-high white socks with some rainbow stripes at the top, which match the shoes perfectly. On top of that, she's wearing this yellow sparkly dress with clear straps that say rainbow in gold. For this dress, the sparkles go all the way around and it velcros in the back. Just like for a violet sequins dress, I do wish that the fit of the dress was better, because right now I'm not really into it when she's wearing it without her jacket on. The jacket this doll comes with though is super cool. It's this golden baseball jacket with zipper details, and on the back it has a picture of the sun and the moon. Then on the sleeves, just like the dress, it says rainbow in gold. Sunny's hair has these straight across bangs, two short pieces in the front, and two really long pieces as well that are curled at the ends, but look at how long they are when they're stretched out. The other hair is very long as well, even in those high buns, so it will be even longer once we take down that hairstyle. What I noticed right away is that this hair is one solid color, whereas Violet had a lot of different shades in her hair. Sunny has these earrings that do come out pretty easily and also look quite realistic. For her face, this doll has brown eyebrows that are covered by the bangs, very nice golden sparkles on her eyelid, and this pink tone under her eyes. And she rocks a purple lip as well. Her eyes are this stunning combination of green and blue that looks really pretty. The shimmer on this doll's face is more noticeable in comparison to Violet, which is probably because the undertone of this shimmer is more pink, and Sunny's skin tone is also a lot darker than Violet's. What I feel like I didn't properly show in my previous video is the doll's articulation. These rainbow high dolls have some movement at the neck, as they can look from side to side but not tilt their heads sideways or look up and down, which I personally would have really loved for pictures. The dolls make up for that with their very wide range of motion in their shoulders, elbows, and wrists, which allows her to touch her hair and face, which is always a good thing. She also has some really nice movement at the hip, and then she has that rotating joint at the upper leg, which also allows you to let her sit really nicely, because she also has that knee joint. The dolls do not have articulation at the ankle, so they do always have that pointed toe, but as I mentioned, Sunny comes with those epic shoes that make her look like she has flat feet. To prepare this doll for washing her hair, I changed the outfit to one I don't mind getting wet, and then I start separating the hair. For Sunny, I am planning on keeping those bangs for now, so I want to keep those separated from the rest of the hair. So what I did is take one side of the hair down, tie the bangs apart from the rest, and bunt the other side out of the way, to keep that parting space really neat. As you can see, at the top of the hair there are some weird bands from the bun she was wearing, so I'm gonna try to get rid of that wave as well. I start off with cold water, loosening up the gel and getting rid of most of the product. I start separating the hair with my fingers before going in with my comb, and already this hair was crazy soft. That one step already made her hair look so good, but I am going in again with warm water to straighten that hair out a little more. For me personally, I did not need a completely straight look, since I'm planning on having the doll wear ponytails for a bit longer, but you can definitely take it there with this hair. What I really like about these dolls is how easy it is to fix their hair, because I truly believe anyone can do these steps. I twist the hair out of the way and repeat the exact same thing on the other side. Then I tie those two sections in the back so I can focus on the bangs. For this, I do the same thing once again, being a little more careful with those eyes. In case you want to try to remove these bangs, my Sunny doll does have most of her bangs rooted in the second row, which should make it even easier to remove the bangs flawlessly than it was for Violet. For now though, I really wanted to keep her bangs and try some looks with them. Like this first one, where I put her hair back in two ponytails. I take this strip of fabric and simply wrap that around the bangs to keep those laying nice and flat while they dry. This is one of my favorite tricks for laying down bangs, because it does not leave that obvious indent like a rubber band normally does. To finish this hairstyle and make it match Sunny's overall look, I wrap the base of the ponytails with some very cool rainbow hair, and wrap both the ponytails and the long front pieces in curlers to create this awesome look. If you're curious about more looks I'll create with my rainbow high dolls, definitely follow me on my Instagram page. at the doll boy. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are interested in seeing more Rainbow High videos, let me know in the comments down below. See you next time!